Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you change your Hostinger name server to Cloudflare name server. So at first, we have to go to our Hostinger dashboard and click on domain here and click on manage here and click on DNS name server. You can see this is the default name server of Hostinger, but we want to add our Cloudflare name server to this domain. So click on change name servers and click on change name servers. Now we have to change the default name servers to Cloudflare name server. So let's go to Cloudflare dashboard. If you don't have an account, please create an account using your Gmail or any email. So I will get, okay, you can see the account home here, and we have to put our domain name here to quick scan for DNS record. So let's put our website domain here. And click continue. Okay, they have a paid plan also, but I will go for free. Select plan. So it take a little bit time to scan it. Okay. Now they said our scan may have missed uncommon records because we didn't add our DNS records to here. We have to change our name server first. So where do we get our DNS record? I mean, we have to find our DNS server. So click on it here. Now, okay. Okay, you can see add these name servers here. Click on it. And you can see these are the name server. Okay, why do we have to copy this one? Okay, you can see when you click on the records here, you will get the name servers. Just copy it and paste it here. Also, the second one is copy here and paste it. Now save it. And it might take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name server. So we have to wait a few minutes or we have to wait until the 24 hour. But I think our name server is currently activated. So let's click on overview. Okay, they said waiting for your register to propagate your name server. So let's wait for 1 or 2 hour or up to 24 hour. So now you can see your domain is now protected by Cloudflare. That means you are successfully added your name server, Cloudflare name server to Hostinger. So if this video helped you, do like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.